Okay, so today we're going to talk about three topics. The first topic is going to be percentiles. The second topic is going to be relative and frequency graphs. And then the third topic is going to be on z-scores. So this is the video for the first topic, which is on percentiles. And today we're going to learn how to calculate some of these percentiles. Now, as you can see, I have a random set of class data for scores. And so this was one of the Algebra 2 tests I gave last year. These names are names of people that I made up. So I just changed the name, so if you knew those people, you wouldn't know what they got. But this is their data. And so we want to figure out what percentiles different people got. So the first thing I'm going to do to kind of figure out these percentiles is I don't like how the data is not in order. So we go from like 57 to 88 to 94 to 78. Like, it's all over the place. So the first thing I need to do is I need to get this data into nice usable or a nice sorted way. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all this data. Then I'm going to go to this top. So you're probably on Home or File to initially start. You want to go to the Data tab. So this tab right here. Then you're going to go to Sort. Now when you click the Sort button, it's going to give you some options. We want to sort by the tests because those are the data points, and we want to go by smallest to largest. And when we hit OK, you'll notice it shifted all the names, so the names stayed together. And you'll notice that it shifted the numbers. So I go from 57 to 68 to 69 all the way to 96. So now that we have this data, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate some percentiles. So let's say we're given the question and we're supposed to calculate Morgan's percentile. So I'm going to go back and we're going to look at Morgan. And so Morgan, as we can see, is the third person down. So she's this person right here. So we're going to find Morgan's percentile. So since she's the third person down, there's two people. Whoops. Need my pen. There's two people that are less than Morgan. And then we have to figure out of how many. So there's two people less than Morgan, and there's a total of, well, if we started at 2, we go to 26, 24 people. So out of 24, so if we're going back here and calculating Morgan's percentile, she's 2 over 24. And if we just calculate that really quick, she's in about the 8th percentile. So when we calculate these percentiles, we just count how many people are below and put it over the total number of people. So let's do this one more time for a different person. Let's take something like, so we'll take Brendan. So we'll calculate Brendan's percentile. So if you look at Brendan, there's actually two people, or Emily. Let's take Emily. That's probably a better one. So we'll take Emily's percentile. So as you can notice, Brendan and Emily got the same exact score. So what that means is they're kind of on the same playing field. So neither one did better than the other. So we don't actually worry about either of these. We go below that. So we count below that. So we're gonna count all the people that are below that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 19 people below Brendan and Emily. So both have the same one. So we'll calculate Brendan or Emily's because they'll have the exact same. And if I scroll down a bit, we'll get rid of that line that I accidentally made from before. So if I was calculating this, I would have 19 over 24. So again, if I pull up my handy-dandy calculator, we say clear to that, and go 19 over 24. They're both in the 79th percentile, approximately. So that's how you calculate percentiles. go to the Word document and see if you can answer some of those questions.